Hello, my name is Sean Leonard. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to this tool. This tool was developed out of a design thinking session. The design thinking session was support without incidents. Out of that design thinking session, we decided to create a tool that customers and support engineers could use to quickly identify trends in KBAs and notes and their usage by customers. The tool is developed in Java and HTML5. It's deployed to the SAP HANA Cloud Platform, and it runs on the SAP HANA database. So now I'm going to briefly demo the tool. So here you see on the first home page we have our search criteria. For example, we can search by a product. In this example, we'll choose this product. And you can also search with one or more components. So in this demo, we have 2 components. You can also add in additional search criteria like country or product version. It's also possible to enter in different date ranges. In this example, we'll choose the first week in March. So when we press the search button, the tool will go to the HANA database, read the records, and determine the trends in notes and KVAs. Here is the results, and as you can see in the first table, we have a list of KVAs and notes that customers have viewed most frequently, sorted by view count within the search criteria. So for example, we can see that this note here is the most frequently viewed note, and we can click on this note number to check and see the note description and the note text. The second table gives us a list of the notes and KBAs that were most frequently cited in incidents opened by customers. So we can see here that this note was the most frequently cited note for that search criteria within that time period. As you can see, this table also gives cross-component results. So even though we searched within one component, our results can be cross-component in cases where incidents are solved by notes in a different component. It's possible to trigger a new search if you wanted to search for a new component. Also, we have a feature where you can implement or type in a note number. For example, this note number here, and when you press exclude notes, this note will be excluded for your user from future search results. So for example, if an engineer knows that this note number is a note that they no longer want to see, they know the note well, and they want to exclude it from future results, they can use this feature to exclude that note number very quickly. Some uses for this tool is, for example, for support engineers, if they're working a weekend and they're working in some new component or some specialized component, they can quickly put in that component in the search criteria and get a result of the trending notes and KBAs within that component. Or for example, if the engineer is away for 2 weeks holidays and they want to get a quick overview of the trends in notes and KBAs for the time period when they were on holidays, they can put in their component and get the results, and they can see if there's any new notes or any notes or KBAs that customers used a lot in the last couple of weeks, and that will help them in their work now that they're back from their holiday. Customers can also use this tool, for example, before they open an SAP message or even as part of the sequence of opening an SAP incident. This way customers can check if they have the same issue as other customers have had within the search, within the component, or within the same time period, within a week, or for example. Okay, so that's a brief overview of the tool and its capabilities for now. Thank you.